Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wells Fargo credit card alerts and notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Wells Fargo credit card alerts and notifications, start by opening your web browser. Type in the Wells Fargo website address and press enter. Once the page loads, click on the sign on button located at the top right corner. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields and click sign on again. After signing in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select the credit card account for which you want to set up alerts. Look for the Manage Alerts option, usually found in the account settings. Click on Manage Alerts to view available notification options. You'll see a list of alert types such as payment due, balance updates, and transaction notifications. Choose the alerts you want to receive by checking the corresponding boxes. Next, decide how you want to receive these alerts. You can choose to receive notifications via email, text message, or both. If you select text messages, ensure your mobile number is correct. Add your email address if you are opting for email notifications. Once you've made your selections, review your choices to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the Save button to finalize your alert settings. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been set up successfully. Log out of your account when you're finished to ensure your information remains secure. Now you are all set to receive alerts and notifications for your Wells Fargo credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.